So there was this young couple and they were in love, but their families were not friendship families, so they weren't allowed to be in love. And they sent him to Venice, so they don't be together. And then they arranged her to marry another man. But then he came back and stole her from that man. But their families weren't happy about that, so they sent her to church to become a nun, so they don't get married. But they still found a way to see each other and to be in love, so their family said, okay, you can marry. And on the wedding day, her father, wasn't still happy, so he killed him on that bridge on their wedding day. And she was so sad, she became sick, and she also died from the sorrow of her love. And that's a story similar to a story about Romeo and Juliet. And as my teacher said, there is not enough proof that the story is true, but it's a nice story, and she lived in this castle, and he lived in a castle nearby, and they are also buried together in a church nearby from the castle. So that's it.